Hi guys, this is Uri again, and I'm teaching you TypeScript. This is lesson number 4. First of all, I apologize. I'm with a substitute mic, so I hope you could hear me well. And let's get started with our fourth lesson. So on the previous lesson, we learned how to a output alert to a prompt message. Okay, and we did our first program. Now today we are and I left you some exercise to solve. So here is the solution. First of all, the solution for the exercise that I give you in the third lesson is like this. You put on the first line the alert, and on the double quotes between the double quotes you write my name is your name, and end with the double quote, and do this. This will alert you a window with my name is Donald Duck. Another line will be alert. I live in Disneyland with address, and you end the double quote, and then you put the number after the plus sign, and then another plus sign, and then the string Disneyland. This is the address. I remind you that between string and a number, you need to do plus. Okay, you will see it further on. And the comments, the comments, I did some comments. So this is the solution for the last homework that I gave you. So let's begin our short lesson, lesson number 4. In this lesson, you will learn the Document.Write method. This method is writing output to HTML web page. Okay, I will show you. It's very like it's the same as alert. I will show you it, but first of all, let me show you how to open your project and edit it, uh, because we only showed how to create projects on the lesson number 3. So now I will show you how to edit your project. So let's save this project. Okay, we save it and close. Close solution. Okay, I want to open it now. So I go to the library that it's on it. Um, just let me second. Okay. You know what? I will open another project. Okay, that I have. Let's look at this project. Okay, I open it. How I go to the library that the project in. Every project has its own library. Okay, own set of files. Okay, and on the main library you have this file with the extension of SLN. It's a short to solution. Okay, you just simply double click on it, and this will open your project on the default Visual Studio, and then you could edit it. Okay, let's see. Ta ta ta. Loading the solution. Okay, so simply we loaded the solution. Now you can also like close this solution and open every solution from your recent solution list. You have here recent solution list. Okay, so let's open our lesson by double clicking it. So I will show you now how to use the Document.Write method. This is the document. Yeah, I will show you some shortcuts. If you write the start doc and you press on a tab, it's complete. You and then you press the point, write, and you press the tab. It will complete you the method. The method Document.Write is a sum of two methods. This is the main library, and this is this is the sub method. So you can explore some other method by pressing the point, and you see you have some more advanced methods. It's endless possibilities. Okay, so this method, a Document.Write, is like the alert, but you remember that the alert opened you a window and show the message. This will show your text on the web page. Let's see it on action. There. Okay, we 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 do the same grammar with double quotes that close with double quotes, and this is our string. If we want, we can add some number, and let's see it on action. I remind you, running the program is with the Control F5 like this. Let's see it on action. Okay, we have here is the text. Hi there. Da, 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 da. This text appear on the web page of the browser, your Chrome browser. Okay. Now we can do this. I will show you something. Okay, we can do another Document.Write. Oops. let's see what happens. As you can see, the 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 second Document.Write command will appear on the same line as the previous document line. So how do we go line under if we want to type on line under? I will show you this. You can do at the end of the row BR with those signs, and then the next thing you put on the next time you do a Document.Write. This is line number 2. Now you can see if we added the break, this is called break. If we added the break, we can see the text after the break on line number 2. Okay, this is how we go line under with the break command. Okay, now I will show you another way to write text. Okay, this will use you for advanced features. Okay, but you don't have to use it usually. Okay, let's let's copy this line and change it. We have a special sign. We have a special sign that called a backward. You see this? Let me use some things. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay. We have this sign that called backward. It is on your keyboard next on the left key number 1. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top of your keyboard. So the left key to key number 1, it's called backwards. Okay, I will show you what you can do with it. You can do the same line. Okay, just a minute. You can do. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can go to here and do the backward. Okay, you see the backward, and write hi again. I'm on line number 2, and then you can instead of writing a string, you can do instead of writing a string with a number with a plus. Okay, let's see. This is the number, this is plus, and this is another string. Instead of doing this, you can do, when you do the tick thing, you can do this thing. If I put here the number and close it, and then you can continue string. Okay, you see string number and string. It's like more simple, and you can do else else things like you, you can go line under and continue the line, and nothing will happen. It will show you as the same line, the backtick. So this one is for advanced options. Let's see it on action. Just a minute. Oh, okay. You see, it's writing the same strings with number on this method. Okay. You can choose to use it, and you can choose not. It's not a problem. Um, now, now I'm going to show you how to prompt data from user. Okay, so what happens if we want to just a minute, what will happen if we will write this program? uh, Let me see. Let's say we want to ask from the user his age and print it back. Okay, so how do we ask data from user, and where will we store it in? Okay, so we store the data in variables, and there are many kind of variables. I will show you the first one. The first variable is called a string. Okay, and we have to announce on this string on the program. So how do we announce the string? We do this thing. Let is announcing, and then after the let, we write the variable name. The variable name, which is like let's say first name. Okay, this is the variable name, and we said and we say to the computer this variable is in the type of string. Okay, so we announced the variable, we gave it a name, and we said we said that the variable is the type of string. Okay, vari, string type name first name. Okay, so we will put the user data on this variable. How do we do it? We have the command that called prompt. Okay, let's see it in action. We say first first name. I will show it. The computer is already know first name because we announced on it. So we see it on the system first name, and then we do this sign that said I am accepting. some data. The data will be from what is your name. Okay, now we see that to the variable that called first name, we will insert by this. This says I am inserting all the things here. I am inserting to here, but here you have a command that called prompt. Prompt is asking from the user with a message, what is your name? Let's see it in action that you and you will understand better. I'm activating the program. Okay, you can see a window that says what is your name. Now I'm inserting my name. Okay, now it does nothing because we didn't type the inside of the variable, but the program inserted first name, the value you read. We will see it in now. Okay, so I will summarize what we did. First name got the user prompt, user data by the prompt command with some message. Okay, let's see what I got in the first name. Let's output it. Alert. We already know what it is. And first name. Okay. If we got it right, it will output it what we wrote to the program. If we wrote here Uri to this file, it will output Uri. Okay, let's see it in action. Okay, I put the data Uri and I output Uri. Okay, let's do it again. I refresh. I put this number and I get this number. Okay, we got it. So this is enough for this lesson. Your homework will okay, let's see. Homework, write a program that will I will show you something else that will help you. Your name is do you remember that we did the string with the number with the plus sign? Okay, you do the same method. You do the same method with variable with this the string, so it will help you also on your homework. I want to show you what it will do. Just a minute, I'm running the program again. Uri. As you see, it did your name is, and it connected the variable Uri. Okay, now Your name. Okay, your homework is to write a program that will ask your first name on and will write it on the first variable, and also will ask your last name, last, last name to another variable. So this is two variables, and then it will output on alert a your name is blah 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 and your last name is blah blah blah. Like your first name is no, your name is Donald Duck. Okay. So on the next lesson, lesson number 5, I will show you the solution for this, and I will continue to develop the data from user and the output, and we'll have some more fun with it. And I will show you some more tricks, and feel free to leave your comments and your special requests, and I will happy to hear from you. Have a good day. This is Uri.